Alright guys, this is Tim. It's July the 10th. I'm out here at the overhang. It's almost 8 o'clock. Just basically got started. Come out here and had to have a little talk with old Lucky Frog. I made him an offer that he couldn't refuse. Anyways, he went down to one of the ponds down here. I told him if he wasn't going to give me any arrowheads up there that he had to leave that part of town, that he wasn't welcome there no more. Told him that frog season opened up July 1st, and if he wanted to keep his back legs, that he better give me some arrowheads or get out of town. Well, he got out of town and gave me an arrowhead while he was at it. Down here digging several feet away from the overhang here, trying to get myself a little ramp going for my wheelbarrow. And the ground's pretty hard right here, so I was going through it with a screwdriver and came out with a little bird point. That had to have washed off of something here by the tree or something and kind of washed down. I'm down way too deep to be finding bird points, but there's you know, the rain's washed all kinds of dirt and stuff down here. That little dude just right there kind of washed out with it. The base is broken on it. You can see part of the base, but anyways, I'm going to keep digging around, and I'm not going to be able to spend all day here. I got a buddy of mine that's got a birthday party today, and I'm supplying some of the meat, so I'm going to pull out of here, I guess, probably in 3 or 4 hours. Got my old hound dog with me, part lab, part hound dog. She's out playing in the water. Say hi, Emma. I don't bring her very often because she sure hates riding in the vehicles. She loves it once she gets out here, but the ride just tears her up. So, alright, we'll see you guys.